Now, this illustration deals with discharge lighting. Discharge lighting in accordance with NEC 410.140B as in boy. Now, note 1 starts moving us in the right direction. Notice that open secondary wiring of luminaire shall not exceed 1,000 volts in accordance with this limitation that is outlined in 410.140B as in boy. Note 2, luminaire is a standard 120 volt unit. Now, until this was put into the code, like in game rooms, they would come in and put neon lighting and use a 15,000 volt ballast or transformer with, say, a 30 milliamp output, volt amp type rating output. And so it'd be a high voltage, not necessarily a killing voltage, but it'd be a voltage to make you think that times are arrived. So on that secondary, you'd have 15,000 volts with the 30 milliamp output. So this rule came in to, you can't do that. You got to limit what that secondary wiring voltage-wise would be, and that cutoff point is 1,000 volts or less in accordance with discharge lighting 410.140B.